I do this and ride around and around.
And then what happened?
And then what happened?
I bumped my chin.
And then you bumped your chin.
So we went straight down like that, mouth full of blood, hysterical screaming. He's got a very, very high pain threshold, but obviously not this time. Straight down. He pretty much swelled up straight away on his right side, and then we went to emergency.
So they took this film in the hospital?
At the hospital, at the emergency department.
And that's in my chin and that's my teeth.
You know everything, don't you?
He does. He does.
Like
But I was just concerned. Hop up. With the alignment of his jaw, he was very sore up here.
Yeah.
For the first maybe 36 hours, he was barely opening his mouth to chew anything.
Yeah.
And was saying it was sore when you touched him there.
Like that? Good boy.
The swelling's come down considerably.
Close it again. Good boy. And go, then again. Right side that's not working. And has he been well since, or has he been unwell?
He was miserable. Sookie barely ate, and as the days have progressed, he's gotten better.
Because he doesn't look bad. Like he,
No.
Sometimes when these kids upset something like that, they'll look quite ill, but he doesn't look ill. Hands up, buddy.
You show Georgie your chin into the camera.
Wow. Lucky you're so brave.
I think he still looks a bit puffy and a bit pale.
Oh, he is. Like, he's definitely puffy in the face and his chin's swollen.
Yeah.
And he's even got a little bit of swelling up here in the cheeks on both sides. But quite often when kids fall like this, within a couple of days they'll develop like a lot of congestion in their sinuses, or they've got ear trouble going on. Or,
well, he did say yesterday he had a sore head.
yeah.
Too.
Well, his jaw's not functioning properly. Come here, Sonny. I'm going to put my finger in your ear. Open. Open up.
Go.
And close.
Think about eating your ice pole.
Yeah, this is the one. Alright. Open up again. That's it. That's it, little fella.
I can't move it.
There you go.
I know. You know what? I know it might have been a bit anxious about it, but it's it's going to make you so much better. It means you can go on the plane to Bali.
Did that hurt, or did that give you a fright?
Did it hurt, or it give you a scare? Just scared. That's okay. That's what we saw.
I'll see if our sticker fairy's down there.
Ooh. You know it. Cool's that? Can you smell it?
Yum yum.
Oh, here we go.
Because before, when I was getting him to open his mouth, the right side was just lagging behind. Can you open your mouth now? I want to see how wide you open.
That was so scary.
Okay, I think we fixed you.
You're fixed now. That's good.
When you take a hit like that in the jaw, because he's taken all the weight of his whole body. The lion's still here. Basically what's happened is it's driven his mandible.
Yeah.
You're a scary kid.
We've got to listen to Dr. Ian for a minute, just 1 minute, okay?
It drove his jaw up, and this right side got basically stuck up there.
Yeah.
And then moved out a little bit.
Yeah.
Now, normally what we do is just kind of work it in a little bit, and we get the person to open and close their mouth, and we just gently correct it.
Yeah.
But in his situation, he wasn't going to do that. He just wasn't playing ball.
Yeah.
So the only chance I had with that one was just to drop it in.
Yeah.
And it was just a nice little specific correction. It gave him a fright. What, buddy?
Yeah, I think it was more the fright than the...
Yeah.
Ian said that
That's
to
where
your
you
mouth.
bumped your chin. Just there. But we looked at this, and all your teeth are good, and all your bones are good. It's a little bit crooked, but it's not anymore because we fixed it.
Oh, good.
High five. Oh, you're strong. We'll give that a few days for swelling to go down.
Yeah.
This is not a phone.
No, it's not a phone, it's for the computer. And also give that a few days to reseat.
Yeah.
And then we'll...
my teeth.
I know, it looks like you're going to eat an apple.
Does your chin feel better now?
I do this.
Oh, and I do this too.
Thank you.
No
See
worries.
you later.
See you next week.
Say bye, Georgia.
Bye-bye. You were showing me something before, weren't you? How fast you can run. Were you?
Right.
He looks a lot better, doesn't he?
Don't feel any tenderness
Oh, good.
whatsoever, which is a relief. Show how much better it is. It's not sore anymore, is it?
Wow. That's really good. Good thing is all this has gone away.
Yeah.
Right up from his sort of temple through to his ear and around to his eye.
Yeah.
And then down to his cheek. It was all very full. But he's back to normal
See how you
shape.
can do that now without any flinching or...
Yeah.
Which is a great sign.
It's a great sign, isn't it? He's not worried about me at all. Open as wide as you can. Wow! That's wide. Good boy. I don't have to do anything to that.
Excellent.
Yeah.
See, I told you, not touching your jaw today.
Not today.
Because you're so much better.
How about if we leave you alone now? Got a close look at his atlas. There's some evidence that it might not be perfect.
Yeah.
But there's no urgency about it. His body might take care of it himself.
Hang on a second.
So we'll leave him alone for a week, and if the findings are still there, we'll correct it. If not, we'll leave it alone.
Yep.
The idea of chiropractic is to never give an adjustment the person doesn't need.
Yep.
So any chance the body's got to fix something, we let that happen.
Okay, yeah.
And and the side benefit is I can let him get out of here without having anything done. So that's not.
Stay friends.
So
And stay friends.
it's not a bad idea to stay friends.
That is so good. High five, my friend. Yeah.
Come on.
Did that hurt your hand?